Hey guys, Syrian fan guy 06 here, and today we have a Noma 12-inch oscillating retro table fan. Now, if you don't recognize the Noma brand, Noma is a brand of a store called Canadian Tire. It looks like there's like plastic over the name that's never been removed, or is it? I think there might be. There's just plastic on there that's never been removed. Like I was saying, Noma is a brand from a store called Canadian Tire. Now, if you don't live in Canada, obviously, you're obviously not going to recognize that brand. And you're probably also not going to recognize the store called Canadian Tire, but everybody that lives in Canada, usually, there's ones like all over Canada. So yeah. Let me show you around the fan. Back here it's got a 3 speeds oscillating thing. There's a tag back here. You can see some information. Made in China. What's the model name? Model FT30-9A3. There's a date code right there. There's also one right here. January of 2017. This, like the Brown fan, which may already be posted by the time this video comes out. I'm not sure how I'm gonna post these in order. This fan also gets run often because you can see the dust on the blades. It's got, I don't know if you care, but it's got a grounded plug, probably because it's metal. We'll go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and start off. I'm gonna do all speeds, not but I'm first gonna do the speeds with the oscillation off. Ooh, wait, is it off? It is on. No, it's off. So I'm gonna do it with it off and then on. So here's low, or 1 as it says. I don't know when exactly we got this. It does blow a good amount of air. I'll take it up to medium. Again, blowing a good amount of air. You can definitely feel it on my shirt. It can be adjusted, the height can be adjusted, but it's finally high, which I almost never gets used on. This would definitely cool down a room, probably. I'm feeling chilly already with this thing on. And we'll turn it back to low, and we'll put the oscillation on. Okay, good. Here's medium. Just look at this. Like it's blowing that pretty good. Turn on high now. Definitely blowing some air. And finally, I'm gonna put it back to what it was, which was about there, and let's turn it off now. So that was a demonstration on this Noma 12-inch oscillating retro table fan. This is in the master bedroom. Should have mentioned that before. So yeah, the ceiling fan guy 06 out.